In the second part of this series, we'll show you how to recolor materials with multiple colors directly in Keyshot. If we import our example model and a U3M material using the steps shown in part 1 of this series, you can see our material is a mesh with 2 colors. Our goal is to prepare the material so we can use the Blend with Color feature in Keyshot on each individual color. To do this, we first open the material in the xTex software and use the recolor tool shown in part 1 of this series. With this example, the tool found 4 colors automatically. We can change this by adjusting the color slider so it finds 2. Previously, we showed how to change your material to a nearly white color so you can recolor it quickly in Keyshot. We'll do that again for both colors in this material. Before we close the recolor tool, we need to perform one new step. Otherwise, Keyshot would still only be able to apply a single solid color to this material. When the xTex recolor tool finds colors in your material, it creates masks that can be exported for each color. Click the File drop-down menu and select the Export Mask option to save the masks for use in Keyshot. Finally, we'll save the material with a new name, switch back to Keyshot, import the material, and apply it to our example model. Before we can apply different colors, we need to open the material graph for our imported material. Here you will see a node for each texture map in our material. These were created automatically when using the Unified 3D Material Importer. All of these textures are connected to a generic material node type to create the visual representation of the material. The first step for color separation in the material graph is to import the color mask we exported from the xTex recolor tool. If we open the mask file, you will see a black and white image where black represents one color and white the other. Drag the mask file into the material graph window to add it as a node. Now that we have all the pieces for color separation in Keyshot, the first thing to do is duplicate the base color texture node. These 2 nodes will be the source of the 2 color areas. Next, we need to add a color composite node. This allows you to combine 2 textures. Connect one base color map to the source input on the color composite node and the other to the background input. Then connect the mask image to the source alpha input. Finally, connect the output of the color composite node to the base color input of the generic material node, and our separation is complete. Now we can use the Blend with Color option in each base color texture node to select the desired colors. In the third and final part of this series, we will show how to use the displacement map provided by the xTex scanner to add even more photorealism to a material in Keyshot.